Guys, have you guys thought of the kind of food to take on this chilling summer period? If you've never, kindly watch this video from the beginning to the end. This is only Abacha, fried Abacha. Guys, this is the kind of food you needed to be, as in, eating this time around in order to use it to chill, because this is good for summer and the kind of drink to take. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, guys, what we are making is abacha. I usually put up the kind of prepared abacha before, always. The one I use potash and castor oil kind of ogri to prepare. This one, there is nothing like, frying on that one. But you know what? That one is during windy period. I usually prepare it, guys, but this time around I felt like weather is good, so which kind of abacha can we prepare, which gonna go with drinks, because now we can take a lot of drinks. I'm not saying sugary kind of drink, but good drinks like juice, as in the one you can make yourself, and make sure you didn't add more sugar on it. But if you feel like to add sugar on it, just go ahead, but I'm talking about the my own experience. So first thing first, like as I said, we'll finish frying our fish, because without fish, guys, I don't think your abacha gonna sweet you to the core. So fish and garden eggs make this abacha to go, as in to sweet, like to sweet very well. But here I don't have garden eggs. Why? Because I prefer using garden eggs whenever I do prepared one, not the fried one. Okay, for those that have never known how to go about frying this, I will explain, because this is kind of very easy to prepare, unlike to fry, unlike the prepared native ones. So guys, here is only red oil we use. All your abacha supposed to, as in, use with red oil, or cooked or fry with red oil. So guys, after we might have finished frying our fish, we went ahead to dry our frying pan, then add our red oil, add our grounded and sliced onions, sliced scotch bonnet pepper, crayfish, maggi and salt. Guys, this is the list of ingredients we use in this abacha to show you that it's not difficult. But another thing will help me to do while cooking your fish, make sure you get the juicy water, so that after you might have finished frying the fish, you're gonna add the juicy water on your abacha. Trust me, when you do, this gonna bring more taste in your abacha. So this is a secret for those that don't know, that the juicy fish water can bring out much taste while frying your abacha. So note it down just right now. Okay, so after we might have finished adding all the ingredients, what else did I add? I managed to add my abacha. But before you start adding your abacha, if your abacha seems so strong, guys, soak it with water like 3 minutes. Sieve the water or strain the water, so before you can add your abacha in your fried ingredients or spices. So that apart, so guys, when you added it on the frying pan, start stirring it, turn it to make sure all the ingredients marinated together, they combine together, because when they combine together thoroughly, guys, they're gonna bring, as in, the more taste, as in, they're gonna give your abacha the taste which you really want it. So that's it. As you can see, we are done making our abacha. Guys, kindly add your oil in moderation. Why? Because let it not be too oily, but as in, add your oil normal, so that it will, your abacha will look colorful. It's true that we are talking about the healthy ingredient to add on it, but we are also talking about the colorful part of it, because eyes will firstly eat before the mouth. So when it looks so colorful, it can attract people to go about eating it very well. So guys, this is the outcome of our abacha. Guys, try paying your abacha or siding your abacha with fish. Another thing you can side it with is your garden eggs and drink. All these native drink, we don't have it here, but I have one drink here for you which looks exactly like our native drink but kind of different. So why did you need to be preparing your abacha in this manner this time around? Because weather is hot, so you need something, as in something something you can use drinks to dilute, not as in, because when I go about preparing the prepared native one, I know I can maybe use drinks to take it because weather is very very hot. So we, as in, I think this frying it this way is the best. So watch us, dish this abacha in two ways. The other way is in a local way, which I pour it like that on the plate, but this one is as in intercontinental, because sometimes you go to the restaurants, you wouldn't know what they serve you. Sometimes it will be abacha, but the way they gonna package it, it will look very very amazing. So guys, if you never try making your abacha this way, kindly watch this video from the beginning to the end and never you skip any part. So guys, as in, our abacha is already done, so I can't feed you and spoon feed you. Kindly get your spoon and your fork. Let's do this. So the main reason you get to be preparing your abacha this way, because some people will say abacha is in categories of carbohydrates. I know, but the ingredient like crayfish, sometimes you can put garden eggs leaf. All this can help it to become healthy whenever you eat it. And try to be siding it with fish, because fish is very very good to your eyesight. And this kind of drink, that's why I specifically make it in this manner, so that you can have some good, as in healthy drinks, or refresh drinks to take it. So go about making it like this. The things you fuel your body with matters a lot, and this only what gonna nourish and better your body. So if you never try it this way, kindly do. And let me also know the way you go about preparing your own abacha, because I can also learn from your method and your own ideas. Okay, this mainly go for busy moms. This is the kind of easiest method to go about frying or preparing your abacha, instead of doing it in the other native type, because that one takes a lot of time. So guys, give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Guys, one more question. Do you prefer the native preparation of abacha or the fried one? Let us know in the comment section.